episode of the Hot Gossip. My name still remains Calvin Maki, and it is 2K News and Entertainment. Today we are going to do serious entertainment. The movie industry, to be precise. Looking at Hollywood and Nollywood, who is actually helping? Our Ghana celebrities, our Ghanaian celebs, are they really helping? Are they really being supportive? This is a question we should ask ourselves. When you approach them, what's their reaction? Are they ready to assist the young ones as compared to what is happening in Nollywood? As you see, if you see current Nollywood movies, you realize that they are bringing in new faces. The old faces are going, the Pechenezoko, the Pete Edoche, and blah, 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 blah. They are going. But Nollywood is trying everything possible to bring new faces into the movie industry. Now, there is this amazing thing that is happening in Nigeria as I'm talking to you. Nigerians are not only bringing new faces to Nollywood, but they have crossed borders and are now pushing Ghanaians into Nollywood. What am I saying? It's all about What a Bombshell. You know him, What a Bombshell, Enoch Darko, a Ghanaian who is now making waves in Nollywood. Now, there is this lady we are coming to talk about today. Her name is Ruth Demigoli. She is from Upper West region, to be precise. And let me tell you, she has been featured and played has been given a main role in one of Nollywood movies titled My Melody, and two Ghanaians were featured and were made to play a lead role. And these people are Enoch Darko and Ruth. And let me tell you, according to research and other stars, this is Ruth's first movie like in Nollywood, and she played a leading role and she nailed it. Alright? Now, the question is this. Nigerians are now taking Ghanaians to Nollywood and they are making waves. But what is happening in Ghana? We are being so selfish, we don't want to help. We are all thinking of, say, like, somebody will be ahead of me one day. And it's really bad, man. We have a lot of talents in Ghana. But what is happening? The movie industry is not moving forward because our own celebs, the stars, refuse to help the young ones. Now, let me tell you, what's the difference between the stars over there, those who have been featured in big movies, and the upcoming ones? There's no difference between them. The difference is the fame. Alright? These young ones can even do more than some of the stars we are talking about. So actually, Ruth is making it big in Nollywood and Darko. If you've not watched this movie titled My Melody, as you can see the pictures being displayed on the screen, that's, I think, the main cover this thing for the movie. And I'm going to play you some of the trailers and some of the things that can draw your attention to this movie. Title is My Melody, and they nailed it. Ghanaian.
Hello. Have you given my proposal a thought?
I just said I have thought about it. Not that I'm on board. So who is she?
No, my sister. What games are you playing?
I don't understand.
I thought you're one of those girls you normally bring once in a while.
My brother over here brings girls around, right? Yes.
Next time I catch you, I'll bundle you up and send you to my shawarma joints to start cleaning tables.
That no go chop am.
I'm making waves. And one thing that is making me so happy, I feel so proud, and I think Enoch and Ruth are making, and they have made Ghana proud in Nigeria, is that they are using tree no matter what in the movie. Alright, so congratulations, and Ruth and Enoch Darko, Charlie, big ups, keep the good work up, and we the people who did the Ghana here, we go support you guys. But don't forget, support us too, alright? So we keep the industry booming like Yeah, so once again, my name still remain Calvin Mackay, your favorite handsome boy, your best gossip, and why do you watch me like that? So subscribe to my channel, alright? So please subscribe. Subscription is free. Just click on the red button there and then the notification bell beside the subscription button, and please subscribe. Why do you watch me like that? Alright, so see you next time.